Yes, it's Ramz TV. I'm back again. Listen, I've been in hibernation for a month. We all want that update. We all want to know what's happening in my hair. We're on month number 8. You know, crazy. So, just like to say, big shout out to you guys, man, for supporting the channel. Everyone's looking for the update. I've been working on other projects, man. The fitness is my project, man. I've been trying to cut down, trying to trim down, man, to get lean as possible. So I've been in the gym all day. I don't really be focusing on hair transplant, but I'm back on it now. So I need to keep you guys informed. So it's been a long month, man. It's been a long month. We've seen changes. We've seen growth. We've seen myself give myself a haircut. I messed it up, but we want to know what the hair looks like. I'm going to give you a little story time before I get into that. So yeah, I tried to give myself a trim. That messed up. I've been at the gym all the time. Been working. Things have been good. But let me tell you something. This hair transplant is a long process. We all know that, man. We just gotta believe in the process. The process is the process. At the end of the day, there's no rushing it. I know I got to go back for a second transplant, and I was initially meant to go back next week because I booked 2 weeks off work. But unfortunately for myself, I can't go because we have to quarantine for 14 days, and unfortunately I don't get paid for my work. If I could get paid, I would have been over there. I had the money locked in, flights locked in, everything locked in. It would be good if I could go over there, but nah, too much money to miss out on 2 weeks of no work. So boy, the chapter will continue regards to the second transplant. However, it's been delayed. So yeah, let's get into this, man. I want to tell you a few stories. So boy, now back to the stories. Now, I was trying to do a video about 2 weeks ago, a hair tutorial. So I try to give you the real depth of this. Try to go down, man. I was cutting my hair. It was going good. Then I just got gassed a bit, slightly gassed. I started putting a couple of lines and things in my hair, which I shouldn't have. But yeah, that's my confession. I'm no barber, so ain't gonna happen. But what I've noticed, I'm gonna put my donor area up as well. My donor area is good, people. My donor area is good. That's a positive note. It's not been tarnished too much, So if I do go back for a second one, I'm gonna go back for the mats because I was bald on top of my head. I want that hairline. I want the density, because when the light shines on it, it isn't perfect. But yeah, it's calm. It's, you know what? It is what it is at the end of the day. I'm happy with what I've got in a minute. So boy, let me show you something. I'm back again. So yeah. So, back in my donor area, I've noticed when I did shave down my hair, I think it's ingrown hairs that are my problem. That's what's giving me these hard bumps. They go and come away, but every time I shave down the back of my head in the donor area, now I realize I get ingrown hair that agitates me, and it becomes like, it's in the two same places. Maybe I just need to drag them hairs out or get someone to do it. But yeah, it is quite annoying, but, I can't even explain it. They're not like pussy bumps, just ingrown hairs. Every time I shave my hair down, the hairs grow back through. It's quite annoying. As you would have seen for the previous pictures, my donor area is good. I'm quite confident that I could get another 5,000 out of 5,000 grafts. So it's quite good. Now, I know you guys have been waiting for this, man, to see the update. You know what? Let's get down to it. But before I get down to it, I want to shout out to Deja, hooking me up with Boston Celtics. I got the Lakers, Black Mamba kit. Shout out to that. I'm going to put the link in the description. Shout out if you want to order any trainers, any clothes. Holla at a minute. The website's in the link below description. You're going to see it popping up on your screen. So boy, the reveal now. Show you what my hair looks like. Let's go. I'm back again. So yeah, here we are. Now, before I get into the quality of hair, anything, you see that, people? I thought I was a professional barber. Don't try to cut your hair if you ain't got training. But yeah, back to there now. So let me brush it out for you guys. So I've noticed, here we go, the lights on it, growth hair. It joins over here. But this is what 8 months look like. I'm trying to give you the best quality as possible. So looking at you straight, still needs to fit in. I know that I've got to go for a second hair transplant. So, is it an improvement from last month? What do you guys think? Now, looking straight here, let's stand straight. That's what it looks like normally. Remember, the light is shining there, it's bright in there. So that goes. Anyways, guys, gotta go. You know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, do whatever you gotta do. Ramz TV.